All right, now that we've heard the text, the poem, Five Little Tadpoles, it's time to think and talk about it. We're going to do that today by going back into the text and finding words that begin with an R blend. Looking for words that begin with an R blend. When you find those words that begin with an R blend, you're going to circle them. Now you can do that in your book if you have it at home with you, or you can do that right here on the page, simply by opening up the tools over on the side, taking a marker or a pen, and finding those words that begin with an R blend and circling them. I think I got the highlighter tool there. We switch. Okay. Then the next part of how we're going to respond is by underlining an important detail about how tadpoles change. Now remember, this unit is all about how plants and animals grow and change. How did the tadpoles change in this poem? Can you find an important detail and underline that detail? Underline that detail in the text of how the tadpoles change.